Guys, when I look for my grass.
This make you feel like though. Why this make you feel like though? Yeah, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Guys, today I'll be spraying my yard. The first time I ever go spray one yard. So I have the spray pan here. My friend lend me a spray pan, guys. I never yet do this. It's my first try. The yard look really bad. It can't cut with the walker because there are too much stones. So if me pay one walker man, I'll be just wasting money. So I go try and see if me can do it. One of my friends came and was helping me, but him hose burst. You're not supposed to inhale it. It's called paraquat. So the last time he came, he used 1 cup. I did see him full the cup. Ooh. Throw it in the spray pan. Make sure you do not inhale it. Make sure you wash yourself properly. When you finish, make sure you beard off yourself when you finish. And when you're spraying, get something tie up your nose. I have my kerchief right here. So when you know a spray, make sure you keep the spray from kids. Make sure you keep it from kids. Make sure they can't touch it, because a little might drip on the bottle and they might touch it and put their hand in their mouth. Be careful. I saw the yard bushy, I saw the yard look. Look. I make sure I put it spray too close to the pepper tree here, kite beer. And I have some rent I am over there, so even though them say the spray not doing nothing. So I don't want to kill off my little things them. I go surround this so I go start over this so where the bush tall. Got the girl, farmer girl, Anna. I don't know how this work. It's heavy. Why? Oh. No. Guys, we don't understand. Oh shit, what is a leak? Me know say you're tired, but you're on it. Secret. Who you feel tell say you get wet, and I yet feel wet. Your man have no say get wet. She will par with me, go anywhere far with me. This a girl alone, she calls me. And if you fall for me, probably your bad. With the deep name, so you talk to me. You say you're fortunate, but make it so hard for left. Give it up free, and don't make me feel ask. But girl, but person not talk. Anytime she get money, oh you know she want. Guys, I don't know if I do it right, but let's see. The spray pan here breed me. I have to go buy one for myself. Come with the water. Come throw the water in. I don't want to touch your red bucket.
So I'm stepping out of place, start work like 20 cheap on my feet and my rip change. You me have a reach here in a new beat. Could have locked on my break. So I'm stepping out of place, start work like 20 cheap on my feet and my rip change. You me have a reach here in a new beat. Could have locked, could have white, could have shine. Could have woman split, but be a girl.
Guys, I just finished spraying the yard. I'm just come straight in, take off the clothes, throw them outside, head straight in the shower, bathe off myself. I saw me know them do it because them say a poison, so I don't know if you have to or you just can wash your hands and whatever. But me personally, me just bathe and I go change my clothes. I'm gonna put the socks and the sweater. I did use one all tight, so I did plan to throw away. So I'm gonna put the jacket and the socks over the line outside, then the wrong side. I take as much caution as possible. This is a few hours after my burn the place. Bad too bad, it don't look bad at all. Look funny. It's not bad. Me not do such a bad job. It could have burned better still. It could have taken one next dose because the grass tall, but we're gonna look funny tomorrow morning and see. No, it just could have burned better to me, but at least me try because I don't have no help. Morning guys. So this is the next morning. And this is the result of how the yard is looking. Guys, this is around the back. I don't know, but it could have looked better. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get somebody to come and give one second quote. This is the front part. The front part burned down good. See? So I feel like because it's tall. So when you can give me a little idea what you guys think. May I wait for a couple more days till I see if we're rotten. Good morning, guys. As I was showing you the outside of the house, so me use paraquat spray yesterday, but me don't know if it's because the grass them did get tall why I got that result, and me can't find nobody who use machete for brush yard. This is not back in the days when you could have did find somebody if you go and do something for you where you use machetes. Everybody mostly lawn worker them use. So I'm going to see if I can get somebody that uses machetes to come and pay them money for brush the yard with a machete and clean it up for me, because the spray not gonna work. So I feel so once it's brush, I'm going to get somebody to come back now and spray it. Yeah, me feel so me I gotta do that because the spray not do a good work. And my neighbor was saying to me that you probably if you spray the roots, but as you can see, the spray pan never good. So you probably if the spray pan did good, more that did take back it this morning, no one go back over it. But my other friend for come lend me one spray pan. So me feel so when him come next week, I'm gonna make him spray it back over. If it not work, then we try the machete, man, cause it look really bad. And that's why you go when you have a woman who live alone and live by yourself. Like my son not old enough for, to them do something there. He's just 12, almost 13. But that's the result. I'm going to come back again tomorrow, which is Sunday, and give you guys a second look and tell me what I think. Morning, guys. So this is literally day 3 of the yard. See there, guys, actually burn, but I did do a good job for the first time. See there, it pretty. So grass actually burn. It actually burn, but you see, because the grass is too tall, it don't take the spray properly. See there, it did it. Me never go over in the bush over there, so. But if you can't see, the grass actually change color. It burn. It look much better. And if rain did fall, it would have function better because this spray works better with water. You see?
Batman she love, Batman she love, Batman she love, Batman she love, yeah. Batman she love, Batman she love, Batman she love, yeah. Batman she love, Batman she love, yeah. Are you dealing with the boss? Yeah. Make your come first, could I never take a last, yeah. Like a ball pump.
If you hear this and then go on your back, let your bone, let your knees, baby, shake it to the max. If you hear this and then go on your back, let your bone, let your knees, baby, shake it to the max, shake it. If you hear this and then go on your back, let your bone, let your knees, baby, shake it to the max, shake it. If you hear this and then go on your back, let your bone, let your knees, baby, shake it to the max, shake it to the max, shake it to the max.
Hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back.
Day 5, guys. When I look here, the only thing what hurt me now is that me burn down the pepper tree. Remember, me not have no experience, but me try. So the pepper tree burned down. But when you can see, so the grass rotten, right? See it there? See out there, so? Those were green. Some of them still need to burn, but me think if you take a next coat. But however, guys, the rainfall yesterday, so I don't know if I have a plan. The rainfall yesterday, so I don't know if the rain make do something them are rotten. Somebody next door I use land walker. We go around the house. See there? And you see? The green grass them that dry. Some of them did spray, some of them never get no spray. But most of them gone. See there? Them dry. So them soon rotten out. I see it there for the spray rotten out the roots of the grass. See there? You see? Green grass turn brown. The little board them you have to put your door to back water. Kitty? See my bed there, guys. The bed is broke. Hey guys, so I'm literally done with the yard. I'm gonna watch it until next week. So we're starting to get rain again. So I'm gonna wait until my friend is available to come and spray the yard. I'm trying to be more resourceful, like doing stuff on my own. I want to plant my stuff. I'm a girl who always farm. So even when we did live with a man, I was always farming my own stuff, planting my scallion, cabbage, my own vegetables, tomatoes. For who know me, knows. So I'm trying to be more resourceful as plant. My neighbor crossed the road in plants and stuff. Him say he'll give me a piece of wire, so he's gonna help me run piece of wire for plant my little vegetables, like my lettuce, my pak choy. I love pak choy, so I'm trying to do that so I can, my kids them can water them and do what they're supposed to do. I'm not gonna pressure them for the new school year. My daughter is going into 6th form, so it's me and Trey who's the baby. Yeah. So I'm trying to be more resourceful. I'm trying to save money. This is going to be my 3rd year out of a relationship, having a birthday. I haven't done nothing because in every step of the way I try to save money. However, this year I might take myself out, might do something for fun, have a drink, eat some dinner, something. But one thing for sure, I'm gonna do my hair and my nails. So that's what's on the agenda. So if you wanna see me and I wonder why I can't get somebody to do it, I don't know no one who use machetes who can help. However, again, one of my subscribers told me that I can pull up the grass, the tall grass, shake off the dirt and then spray it. My daddy was doing that also for me. He did help me do it. So thanks again to that person. I don't quite remember your name, but thank you, because him kind of make me know say it doesn't matter if you're a male or female, you still can get shit done. Thank you. And there is this other person who was saying that, like somebody say, you spend $2 million on that house expensive. In case I never know, house expensive. Sometimes I look upon you and say it's just a room and a bathroom, and a that house expensive. And there are some other persons who are being negative against me, like screenshotting my stuff, taking them down. I'm not here to trouble nobody. I'm just doing my vlogs, trying to make my money for me and my kids. That's all. So I have come to the end of this vlog. I hope that you did enjoy. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you have not. To my subscribers, presidential respect. Viewers, presidential respect. Bye.
Secret, who you fit tell say you get wet, it feel wet. Your man have no say you get wet. She will power with me, go anywhere far with me. This I got me.